best dual sport motorcycle for beginners. Honda CRF250L. The world of motorcycling is an enticing realm, promising adventure, freedom, and the thrill of exploration. For beginners, choosing their inaugural motorcycle is a pivotal decision that can profoundly shape their journey. The Honda CRF250L, renowned for its versatility, accessible power, and beginner-friendly features, stands out as the quintessential dual-sport motorcycle for those venturing into off-road adventures. With its balanced performance, rugged design, and rider-focused attributes, the CRF250L provides an ideal platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and dual-sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Efficient power and versatile performance. At the core of the Honda CRF250L resides a dependable 249cc liquid-cooled, DOHC, single-cylinder engine. This power plant offers a manageable yet efficient level of power and torque, making it suitable for both on-road cruising and off-road exploration. Robust design and trail-worthy features. The CRF250L boasts a robust and purposeful design, featuring long travel suspension, spoked wheels, and ample ground clearance. These attributes empower it to conquer dirt trails, rocky paths, and challenging off-road terrain with confidence. Comfortable ergonomics and adventure-oriented layout. Rider comfort takes precedence in the CRF250L's design. It provides an upright and comfortable riding position, ensuring ease during extended rides and off-road adventures. The well-padded seat, wide handlebars, and rider-friendly ergonomics enhance the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and off-road agility. Despite its versatility, the Honda CRF250L exhibits responsive handling and off-road prowess. Its lightweight chassis, capable suspension, and agile characteristics make it easy for novice riders to confidently navigate the bike in demanding conditions, whether it's tackling rugged trails or exploring remote landscapes. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is paramount for beginner riders, and the CRF250L often comes equipped with features like ABS, handguards, and a skid plate. These elements enhance safety and instill trust in novice riders as they learn to master the art of dual-sport riding. Versatility in riding scenarios. While the CRF250L excels in off-road adventures, it is versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Novice riders can comfortably use it for daily commutes, city rides, weekend getaways, and off-road exploration, making it a well-rounded dual-sport motorcycle. Community and rider connection. Honda enthusiasts and dual-sport riders form a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow adventurers who share a passion for off-road exploration and the CRF250L's capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda CRF250L encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their off-road riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of dual-sport riding. Cost-efficient adventure. The CRF250L is known for its affordability and cost-effective ownership. It offers an excellent balance between price, performance, and capability, making it an ideal choice for those looking to embark on off-road adventures without a substantial financial commitment. Customization options and personalization. The CRF250L offers various aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to tailor their motorcycles to their individual preferences. Whether it's adding luggage racks, auxiliary lights, or other accessories, the CRF250L can be personalized to reflect the rider's unique style. Conclusion. The Honda CRF250L embodies the spirit of adventure and Honda's commitment to providing the perfect dual-sport motorcycle for beginners. With its efficient power, rugged design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the CRF250L offers an immersive gateway to the world of dual-sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Honda CRF250L as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for adventure, exploration, and the joy of conquering diverse terrains on two wheels. The CRF250L is not just a motorcycle, it's the key to unlocking a world of off-road excitement and unforgettable experiences.